Here it is. The snowstorm has arrived. It's only 1:30 in the afternoon, and it is dumping snow, and it's going to be dumping all afternoon, all night, into tomorrow midday. And it's sticking fast. Beanie, what do you think of the snow? She's so interested in the snow. .35 outside. This is amazing. Oh, Beanie, where you going? Beanie, the storm's here. This is so amazing. The big storm has arrived. And it's dumping snow. And it's only 1:30 in the afternoon. It's just going to snow all afternoon and evening into the next morning and midday tomorrow. Beanie, what do you think of the snow? She's not sure what to think of it. You want to go in, Beanie? Okay. We'll go in. I won't take you out anymore. You ready? You ready? Good girl. I love you, Beanie. I'm going to go play, okay? I love you. I didn't even look at him. Lily, what are you doing? Oh, Lily. You follow me up here. Lily, look at the snow. Lily, get the snow. Get the snow. Lily, get the snow. Get the snow. Oh, Lily. Get it. Oh, get it. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily. Get the snow. Get the snow. Get the snow. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily. There's Levi. Levi, what are you doing? Where's Asia? Oh, you guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is the big one. Beanie, this is crazy. It's snowing so much. It's dumping snow since like 1:30. Excuse me, now it's almost 5. And it's supposed to go all night into midday tomorrow. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my Atlanta. Oh man. Oh, this is a winter wonderland. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. It's so deep. Well, maybe not that deep, but it's really deep. Oh, isn't this amazing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Have to be careful of trees coming down or branches coming down. I gotta ride the quad over to my parents across the fields for my sister-in-law's birthday party. As long as they can make it. They live on our same main driveway too. Once my brother comes home from work, he can pick up my sister-in-law and niece and bring them over to my parents. We're gonna have enchiladas and cake and ice cream and presents for my sister-in-law. Her birthday was Sunday. Oh, this is magical. Look at this. It's huge flakes since 1:30. Absolutely crazy. Oh man. Ooh, it's cold. It's down to 33, I think, or 34. It's just gonna get colder overnight. There's little branches that have come down. This is gonna be crazy going all night. I've dreamed of this, especially living at the cabin. We haven't had a good snow really since 2017. We were snowed in twice, 5 days in a row. And luckily I don't rely on the power grid because I have a generator, solar, and water as long as the water line doesn't get messed up. But I have lots of jugs of water, so I could last quite a few weeks if I had to, if I was careful with not going through all my gas for the generator. Oh, and I have all the propane tanks for my propane heater inside. Man, oh man. Brr. I'm gonna have to go suit up with my snow pants and snow gloves and hat and jacket and goggles to ride over to my parents. This is crazy. Look at that. This is like heaven. Man. I haven't even tasted the snow yet. I did a little bit the other day. That is perfect snow, man. Powdery. It didn't even rain before it started snowing this afternoon. So everything's dry and nice. Perfect powder. They're already shutting down main highways and roads around us. This is crazy.